Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to do a makeup tutorial. I know it's been a while. I haven't done one, so I'm back, and let's get started. So I already primed my face and primed my eyes. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using, the NYX Born to Glow Natural Radiance Foundation in Sienna. So, yeah. And I always shake this one up real good. I always give 2 squirts at first because I try not to use too much. So, yeah. We're going to do one more skirt. Hope everybody's doing well. So, yeah. I've been watching movies like heck. I've been watching movies like He-Man and She-Ra. Well, that's what I grew up to. And my She-Ra makeup tutorial will be coming next week. So stay tuned for that. This is just a real some colors I've been wanting to do. So we're going to take the sponge and finish it. Alright. Here it is. We're going to take our setting powder and we're going to set under my eye, and we're going to actually use the sponge this time. Usually, there we go. Got a little on my lip, but it's okay. So while we're waiting on that, we're going to go on and start on the eyeshadow. And we're going to take this brush and we're going to be using 2 different palettes today. So the first palette we're going to use for the crease color is the Naked Urban Decay, the original. I still have this after all this time. And we're just going to take the color Bait right here. And we're just going to put that in the crease. Okay. Set that brush down for a minute. Alright, let's see if I can. Here, we're going to be using this brush right here. Alright. So then we're going to take on Canopy, this palette, and we're going to be using these purples and things. So the next thing is we're going to pick up the dark purple and put it in the crease. You don't want much, but that's what we're putting in the crease. It's not working right. So like I'm saying, we're taking the dark purple. But using this same brush, we're going to actually be going in with this color right here. It's turning out pretty good. Almost through. And then we're going to take, where is this? We're going to take this brush right here, and we're going to take this beautiful shimmer purple, light purple right there. So, before I finish the eyes, we're going to take this. We're going to take this brush and we're going to take our color right here as the brow bone highlight. Alright, so we're finished with this palette, but I'm just gonna put it up in my eyeshadow thing right there quick, and we're gonna take this palette, well, not that, we're gonna take this brush right here, and we're just gonna fix that. Do the brows right quick, and I'm using a brow tint gel by Maybelline New York Tooth Tattoo. All right. Alright. I'm going to take this and we'll just define my brows a little more. Okay, take the brush here and just okay. The next thing we're going to do, we're just going to take Poppy, my favorite blush, and we're going to use that as the blush. And you're going to need two highlight brushes for two different reasons. So we're going to take this plum sorbet. Alright. Going to take this brush and go down the bridge of my nose so I can see what I'm doing. And this is what makes my nose look more defined and smaller, but we're going to go in with another highlight, and we're going to be using, we're going to use Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. And you're just going to take it down the bridge of the nose. Okay. And where's that brush? We're going to use this brush. And for the lipstick color, we're going to be using the matte, Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick, Nude Trails, and yeah. And that is it. And just to be sure everything is blended, I want to take this brush. This is one of my summertime looks. This is during the time in the summertime I hardly use a lot of product, and I will list everything below what I use. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.